In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT. ChatGPT is the newest feature which has been released by OpenAI. It is an artificial intelligence chatbot which allows you to perform different kinds of tasks. Firstly, in the search bar, search for chat.openai.com. After you do that, you will land on this page. Now from here, you simply need to click on sign up if you don't yet have an account. If you already have an account, you can click on login and log into ChatGPT. Now as you can see, this kind of interface opens up. Here you can type in anything that you want, and this AI will help you to solve your problems or any kinds of solutions that you need. Here are some of the examples, capabilities, and limitations of this AI. For example, I'm going to use this example that is given right here. You can basically type in anything related to creating essays, writing stories, and even writing codes to build anything that you need in any programming language. Now you simply hit the enter on your keyboard, and this AI will write everything that you need. If you need more examples of what you can do with this AI, you can search for beta.openai.com/examples, and here it's going to show you all the things that you can do, such as you can do question and answers, you can do translations, you can do complex calculations, and bunch of other things. You can easily take a look at these and choose the one that you like, and then you can simply type it in here and the AI will write everything that you need. It has just completed writing this creative ideas for a 10 years old birthday. Similarly, if you write anything, it will give you all of the things that you need. If you don't like this one, you can always click on regenerate response and a whole new response will be generated. So I hope this quick tutorial was helpful. If it was, make sure to subscribe, share, and give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today. Thanks for watching.